Good morning. It's Christmas Eve. It's the 24th of December. Woke up with a headache, so I had to take meds. I had to take a Biogesic because there would be no chance for it to be late, and I still have a lot to do, like pack gifts and everything. I have to be productive this morning, so I can't power through the headache. So I took my Biogesic. And I've started to pack my gifts. This year I'm opting for convenience, so I just bought a couple of paper bags like these. And I'm just wrapping them. Like, one of my gifts still on the way, but I'm glad that it's out for delivery, so I'm gonna get that later today. Here we have these. I only got 2 of these, which I low-key regret. They're really good. Nice, and we could reuse them, so I'm not gonna write anything on them. I'll just stick like the cards. Also, I'm giving out money, and yeah, I have the first batch done. I'm gonna bring it up to make more space. Go up. Oh, this is our Christmas tree. Current situation, I have to get my gift for mom because I have to put it in the bag and get the card ready as well. Our theme this year is apparently blue and white. Winter Wonderland? Is that Winter Wonderland? Something like that. Hello! Ibabalot namin yung money. And this, para sa palayok.
Sige.
7.
7.
Yan. This is our food. Rice and puto and chicken, lumpia, mayong mashed potato, stew, slow cooked beef, spare ribs, hamonado, chop suey, buko salad. We get here some kanin. Dalawa muna. Hello, Daddy. Kuba ka.
Sabay tayo.
Ayos eh.
Hello, oh, I'm wet.
Here we have cake from Mary Grace, black velvet. We have for dessert buko salad. Doon ate sa cake. Thank you ate. And then sago, mango, and banana. Here's the cake. Here's the cake. Gala, pag tumungo mami out ha.
Blindfold. Kaya lang, wala tayong blindfold na madami.
Pwede yun, may tip pa dyan?
Talaga, ite-tape niya yung mata.
Ready?
Parang wala cheating, no cheating.
Ready, ready, ready? Ready, get set, go.
Out na si Alfred, oh, lampas na.
Higher!
Higher!
Ah, ako si Parto.
Maduga talaga to. Ate, out! 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 Ready? Don't touch the color red. Yellow. Ayun. Out. Out. Ready? Don't touch the color red. Blue. Ay, sorry. Wala. Ready? Green. Yellow. Red. Don't touch the color. Don't touch the color black. Don't touch the color orange. Red.
Winner! Loser!
Don't touch the color black. Orange. Red. Pink. Orange. Don't touch the color orange. Touch the color green. Pink.
The master!
Masturbate.
Masturbate! Oh, come on!
Ready. Don't touch the color orange. Orange. Yellow. Green. Green.
Color green.
Green, ma. Green na.
Sige, ulit kasi.
Oh, ulit. Again daw. Again, daddy daw. Again. Oh, ready. Get set. Don't touch the color black. Yellow. Pink.
Ano ba, pink?
Kakulay na pala yun. Kakulay na.
You don't take the collar. Who says the collar?
Me. I'm the ano.
Don't bullshit, huh?
Oh my God! That's pressure! Don't touch the color red!
You don't, you say color?
That's
You have to
Okay.
Let's go,
I said
ready.
you make bullshit.
Ready.
Don't touch the color orange. Don't touch the color blue. Sorry, no blue. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color yellow. Don't touch the color pink. Ano na lang color na lang? Color. Don't touch the color red.
Don't touch the color yellow. Orange. Green. Black. Red. Orange.
I'm a winner!
Yan. Next game. Hitting the pot.
Yeah, palo!
Walang kapaan! Walang kapaan!
Palo!
Wow!
Nasayaw kasi nasayaw!
Wala pa, sige.
Steph! Steph, sige pa!
Diretso pa.
Isa pa! Ayan! Palo! Diretso!
Walang kapaan.
Isa pa! Halo!
Hoy, may umutot.
Silina po ito!
May umutot.
Thank you! Testing! Yun! Dadali!
Yan! Pwede!
At least meron
Duwabol!
O yan! Ayan!
Ang dami!
Be, mabilis, mabilis.
Bilis!
Isang Yeah!
1, 2, oh my gulay! Isa pa!
Mali. 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 Baba.
Saan ba ito dito?
Mali. Mali.
Ito, tama na to. Yan.
Yes.
Kutuban mo, Tita Sela.
Huwag mo ibigay. Yes.
Nice, very good. Thank you. Ano mo na yan? Ito mo lang, itama mo na yan. Sana pa rin!
Next, sino pa?
Wala na, siya na lang.
Stop! Stop!
Stop, Dede! Papas!
Sino nakapulot ng ano?
Mike ah.
Chocolate ang kinukuha ko eh.
Ay, wala. 300 yung kanton ko.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Si Gina natataranta. Saglit lang, masusundan ko pa si Maika.
Oh, yun.
Hi.
Si Micah para bibigyan.
Hi, Jean. Hi, Daddy.
Very cool.
Merry Christmas.
Very good.
Merry Christmas!
Para may mabuksan ka.
Oh, grabe naman.
Kanina ito, may envelope.
Ayan, basahin mo. Wait lang, Daddy. Wala pa. Wait. Oh, fold mo ulit. Wala si Beshi.
Saan ka naka-duty? Binibigay sa akin.
Aus. Thank you, Gina.
Kay Micah.
Mike.
Mike ah.
Micah, kuha.
Merry Christmas, Jean. Thanks.
Micah yan. Bigay niya kay Joan din.
Ah, thanks.
Ayan na si Ang.
Thanks, Dave.
Baka ako hindi na.
To Arian. Ito kay Dad.
Salamat po.
Welcome. Oh, Mami, sa'yo to, oh.
Nani.
Magugustuhan mo to, Ma. Magugustuhan mo to. Yung card muna. Oh, dito magbukas. Dito kayo magbukas.
Dito para Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Open, open.
Shower.
Oh, thank you, Jo.
Galing Spain.
Oh, ano kayo ba? Thank you, Jo. Spain pa. Wow!
Panglancha.
Sige na. Ayusin mo lang galing yung talent.
Yan, galing Spain yan.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ganyan. Yan ang pinigay mo sa kanya?
Sa'yo yan.
Kaya nga, bito ka lang thank you.
Kaya nga. Yan.
Kasi kala ko binigyan mo rin siya ng gano'n. Thank you.
Ah,
Kaya magluluto ka ngayon.
tinignan mo mabuti. Siyempre.
Luto na yung tita ka. Vlogger nga ng cooking niya eh.
Oh, vloggeress.
Oh, Kasi babae ka na.
Naiyak si mama.
Galit ka lang tuyo.
Tangas.
Galit ka lang tuyo.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, tita.
Daddy, you have to antay. You don't tear. Hindi, dito yun. Oh, may tatanggalin ka. Dito. Okay, ate, turuan. Ito, turuan mo isa.
Thank you.
Pura bag. Alam mo kasing mabag ka eh.
Thank you. John. Thank you.
Matching kayo ni Tidang. Welcome, Tito.
Thank you.
May card yan, Daddy. May card.
Wow, tricycle. Saan ba tricycle?
Match kayo ng ano, tita.
Ano ba gray?
Ibang color. Latte, ako napahirapan pa kita dyan. Kaya mo yan. Yan, yung request mo.
Parang di nakakabot sa isa, no?
Ito kasi kaya? Ano naman siya eh?
Wala, na-late na. Bilisan mo. Wala kasi akong kuko. Ate, tulungan mo sa ate, aw.
Tari lahat.
Hindi lang.
Wala, di siya na. I told you.
Hindi na binasa yung card. Sabi ko, basahin yung card eh.
Joanna, oh.
Ito, ang ganda naman marunong magpasalamat. Anong sasabihin?
Thank you.
Thank you. Ganyan yan lagi. Ganyan yan lagi. Ay, ito na naman. Ganito na naman binili. Mahal na naman. O, papasalamat. O, ano sasabihin? Thank you. Thank you.
Happy kayo, ah.
Yes po. My slipper, bring. Bring. Thank you, Jing. Ah, bring. Give slipper. Give Gino. Bring. Ito, slipper. Slipper. Good boy. Merry Christmas. Ayan, nadali ka. Buksan lang kasi. Wow.
Yeah, kasi wala. I don't know what to give to him.
Ma'am, thank you.
Pero bantay mo yung pinto, huwag masyado malaki. Wow! Sabi mo, tita, pasok na agad. Wow! Sabi na sa sobre mo. Tanga mo, tanga to.
Yan.
Magkuha ng regalo.
Halika, hanap mo dito.
Yan. Tol yan. Yan, winter pa winter. Ay, yay! Thank you. Pumili ka rin tabi.
Wow! May chocolate pa, may cast pa, may t-shirt pa.
Thanks, Mike.
Tasha, thank you.
Wow!
Salamat.
Scripted.
Paano kayo nyo, Ma? Binuksan mo din
Nakita mo na, nakita mo. Ay, sa'yo, nampas mo ako. Nakita mo. Ito, tapa. Ano to?
Mamaya pa yan, nakita mo. Miski maliit na bagay.
Oo, hindi ka naghahanap kasi ako supply dito. Supply. Kaya, diba, supply ka. Siguro nang binanggit ko, binili niya. Yes! Cream to, cream. Ayor. Because we're traveling. Mano, mabigat pala siya. Mabigat. Pero ano lang, parang ano lang. Sobrang naman talaga travel. Thank you, ate. Hindi mo na pala ako i-charge.
Merry Christmas to you.
Beshi, kunin mo dun sa likod.
Sa likod, yung malaki.
Yan. Ayan. Oh, may isa pa dun. Galing kay mami. Oh.
Thank you po. Sir, ma'am.
Yan ba? Wait lang. Yan ba?
Yay!
Buksan mo na. Oh. Papanoorin natin si Beshi Waps. Oh.
Up, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sa akin galing yan.
Ay, wow. Labas mo naman.
Yan, galing kay mama yan.
Oh, you forgot me also, senor.
Wala na, nakuha ng gold. Nakuha ng gold. Oo, sinabi. Sinabi. Wow, may ano pala. Birthday?
Mamaya buksan!
Mamaya!
Mama sabik. Sabik ka.
Si Gina. Ready!
Go!
Go!
Ayun, gold mo na. Dalawang gold mo na itong mag-asawa. You want one? Take it. You are included.
Oh! Maybe I can increase my pocket money.
Only 1,000.
Tignan mo, hindi gold yun, ha?
Ano sa'yo? Kuha ka ba? Hindi. Taga-video.
1,000.
Yabang! Anong number yan? Anong number yan, Tito?
Number 22.
22.
20.
20.
Ay, 300! Nakalawang lumis kay Mama! Tara tayo! Ulit tayo! Hindi nga, 300 din ako.
350. Magkano?
1K.
1K. Anong number?
Number 1.
Wow.
22.
22.
Akin 10.
10. At saka, ano yan? Wallet. Baka may laman. Tignan mo. May wala pa. Oops, may pabango. Mabaho ka daw.
Ah, dapat tita, nilagyan mo lahat. Para halo mo. Hindi ka wala. Okay, wala. May 50. Baka 450 or 550 kayo kita naman.
Madami, madami.
Yung kay ano yun, kay Maika. 1, 2, mas malaki na. 3. Magkain niya kay Maika. Papay ka ang ganda. Ayan, ganito yan. Ano yan? Ah, dalawang daan.
Tuwi. 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 Saan si Molly?
Yung tenet na Ginaida. Thank you, Merry Christmas to you. Isa pa.